Customizable, minimalistic plastic bonsai trees let you enjoy Zen gardening without all the fuss. They don't wilt, they don't need water, and they last way longer than the real ones. Taking care of bonsai requires a fair bit of commitment, and though they can be trimmed and pruned meticulously to look like stunning miniature castles or charming lighthouses, the fact of the matter is that some of us out there have trouble keeping the little plants alive in the first place. A Japanese crowdfunding project under the name of Grid-Bonsai offers a solution to that, offering bonsai plants made entirely out of white nylon resin, thus eliminating a multitude of tricky factors like bug infestations, sunlight, and watering conditions that would otherwise turn a fun cultivating hobby into a chore. As its namesake suggests, the branches and leaves of the models are actually made up of plastic scaffolding that can be shaped using scissors. A total of 7 grid bonsai models are available through the project, each with different dimensions and trunk configurations. All grid bonsai featured can be purchased online through the Japanese crowdfunding website here. If you are trying to achieve a minimalistic look in your house or give visitors a cool and stylish decoration to gawk at, then getting one of these fuss-free bonsai is an excellent option. They do quite cost a lot. So if you find the price a little too steep, we reckon a little paper bonsai tree will work just as well. For me, this is an incredibly expensive toy, but art and decoration and interior design has no price. I wonder what Mari Kondo would say about this bonsai. As she would say, if it doesn't spark joy, throw it away. What do you think? Would you buy this for 200 and more dollars, or do you think this is a waste of money? Let me know. Mata ne!